Plant profile, Virginia Bluebells. Virginia Bluebells, Mertensia virginiana, are a native plant of the mid-Atlantic USA. They thrive in deciduous shade and moist soil. If happy in a location, they will readily self-seed and form a nice colony in a few years. You can collect the seed and scatter them as you like. You can also dig and divide them to spread the plants about. Enjoy them while they are in season. You can see them in bloom en masse in early to mid-April in publicly accessible locations all around the Washington, D.C. region. We have a link to our list of local bluebell viewing hotspots at washingtongardener.blogspot.com. Because they are ephemeral, in your own garden you will want to plant a companion that comes up as the Virginia bluebells are fading. Try ferns, hostas, and astilbes. And surprise! Despite the name, not all Virginia bluebells are blue. Some are pink or white. Virginia bluebells really need no maintenance and are generally rabbit and deer proof. You can read more about Virginia bluebells in the April 2015 issue of Washington Gardener magazine. Virginia bluebells, you can grow that.